So guys, today I want to talk you how to find max element in array. Firstly, we create an array with random numbers, for example, something like this. After that, we create a new methods public static uh, int find max and pass into this method our array. After that, we create a new variable which is called max, and this variable is equal to array first element. After that, we go through the remaining items of this array. So start from first element and I less than array dot length I plus plus. And here we write a condition if max less than array I, then max is equal to array I. And after that, we return a max. And here we call these methods. Firstly, we write a system out println, and after that, we write find max and pass here our array. So when we start our program, we can see that the result is 99. 99 is the biggest number of our array. So good luck guys, see you later and subscribe on my channel.